Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what we have today, well, we have a Chevy Silverado. We put on the Revolver X4s on. Now, right now, stop what you're doing. Hit the like button, get it out of the way. I know I used to mention at the end of the video, people just are not doing it enough. So do it right now, I appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. We got millions and millions of views, but I haven't hit 10,000 subscribers. What's going on here? Subscribe to the channel. Now, if you have questions, that is our telephone number right there. Just give us a call. We have great answers for great questions. You can also ask us on the bottom of the YouTube video, and we get to that every couple of days. Now, if you want to see what the pricing of this product is, you can also go to the link at the bottom of the YouTube video. So come on over here. Let's take a look what we got here. Now, again, this is a Chevy Silverado here, RST, and this is the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries. Now, one thing I want you to take a good look at is how low profile this cover. This is what people like. It's a super clean look. It matches the bed caps. This is going to have a 400-pound weight capacity, which is very good. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, since we did the installation on that, the 5-year goes to 10, so that's a very good warranty. So let's go in here and let's show you how it all works here. So, open this all up. Now, you're going to have a driver's side and a passenger side release mechanism, and that's good in case you pull off to the side of the road and you got the traffic on one side. You might want to go to the other side where it's safer. Now, when you pull these, what you want to do is only pull one side at a time. Occasionally, you get the wife or the girlfriend. So let me help you out as you're pulling. It is designed for one person to pull at a time. Now, before I go too further, I want you to take a look at this fat seal. Now, this is going to do a great job of keeping Mother Nature out. So, again, these aren't waterproof submarines, but it's going to be really water resistant and weather resistant. And this big fat seal helps a lot. Also, I want to point out something. This is the newest model. So, the very first year when these came out, these little clips had a tendency to come off because they were just clipped on. Now they're actually screwing them on. They're using some glue. That seems to solve the problem. Now, as I roll this, if you look here, you got your metal here, and then you see this little rubber thing. That is to protect your hand from the heat. Florida, these things get super hot, and if you put your hand on there, you'll find out real quickly how hot it gets. These do a great job of protecting your hand, so when you roll it, you don't burn your hand. Now, I'm going to tell you all the good stuff, and I will mention the pros and cons of anything I mentioned. The great thing is when I open up, you got full access to the bed. You don't lose any space whatsoever. Your rear window is not covered, so when it's open, you can still use your mirror, and you can see out just fine. Now, unlike other covers, the Revolver, it's either all the way open, all the way closed. There's nothing in between. So some covers, like the folding covers, you can stop here. But this one is probably one of the easier ones to open and close. It was a couple seconds. It was fast. So again, I'm going to reach in here, pull this up, pull this out. So if you need to get in and out all the time, you'll discover this is very, very fast. Now, if you look over here, here's your little strap, and you do need this when you're driving. So let's swing the camera around here if you can see what I'm doing here. So I just loosen up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play it sideways, and then I turn it, and then I'm going to lock it in place. This will keep it from moving around while you're driving. Now, there's two of these. For the video, I'm only doing one side, but you do need to do both. Now, to open it up, you push this down a little bit, and you just kind of turn it, and of course my watch is in the way. There we go. Now, one thing I wish they could do is when these are not in use, they're just hanging there. It's not a big deal, but I wish it wasn't had a little spot for it. But I tell you the pros and cons. But beyond, that's a small thing, but I mentioned it anyways. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this thing up. Now, I want to show you something that this cover has that pretty much no one else has. They have a patent on it. Okay, how does this lock up? I'm going to show you real quick. Now, if you look over here, I want you to tell me to straighten these up. See this little groove right here where my fingers are? That is for a locking mechanism. Now, look over here. When I go to close this, the entire track will lock. Now, a lot of covers just have different spots where it locks. This entire track is going to lock. So when the cover goes down, just like this, that whole track just locked. So if somebody was to try to break into it, it would be nearly impossible. Even if they get past the seal, makes no difference because this is completely locked all the way down. Probably one of the most secure covers out there because of that, and they do have a patent on it. I'm sure you probably don't see too many other covers doing it because I'm sure they'll sue me if they did. So I like that. I like that feature. I think it's really good. Now the material on this is a marine grade. What's that mean? Well, it has UV protection on it, so it's going to handle the sun really well. And if you live in a state like mine, that's real important. Now we'll go ahead and show you a few more things. Okay, so if you notice here, the handle here, let's go ahead and you can still use your handle. So if you do have that multi-function tailgate, as you can see, no problem whatsoever here. So let's go ahead and close this up. Now you can see you got full storage, full room in the bed here. Oh, by the way, if anyone asks, that the bed liner is made by WeatherTech, which we sell too. Okay, so I'm gonna close it up. So as you can see, the regular tailgate works just fine. You'll notice here, this thing is very, very tight. Why is that good? Well, it keeps Mother Nature out. Now, I'm going to also show you the multi-function tailgate. It does open. Now, when you go to close this, you will have to open the cover, close this, and close the cover back. Figure I'll let you know that too. But more or less everything works that this truck has. This great cover. It's a reasonably priced cover. It's not the most expensive. It's not the least expensive. It's right there in the middle. And when you click on the link, you'll see the price. Now I don't mention the pricing because these things are always changing. So you always have to go onto the website to get the current pricing. Now if you like this, you can come here to my store and we'll install it for you. We put a 1-year labor guarantee on this, and of course we'll double the warranty from 5 years to 10 years if we install it for you. Now we can also ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, you live in Texas, California. By the way, Texas, California, you guys are great, man. You guys buy a ton of stuff and we really appreciate it. And I'm very happy Alaska finally came around and bought some stuff from me as well. So we got pretty much, in Hawaii, dude, who believes it? We do a lot of business with Hawaii. It's hard to believe, right? So anything you live here in the country, we'll ship it to you, not a problem. It's very reasonable to get it to you, so you'll be very happy once you see that. Even Puerto Rico, by the way. Now, if you get this and you're installing it and you have some questions, you can call us. Now, I know a lot of times people call Real Truck, and sometimes they're busy. They might not be able to answer the phone. They're good at taking your money. They're not so good at answering some installation questions. And a lot of times, the people on the phone are not the guys who are putting it on. If you buy it from us and you have questions, we'll walk you through it. That's a benefit buying from us. You get our help. Also, I want to show you another thing. Now, this is the flat rail here. Now, they do offer this rail with the T-slot. This is called the X4s. The T-slot is called the X4TS T-slot. And what it is if you look over here, a T-slot will let you add racks. So if you like this and you want it with the T-slot, you can get it with the T-slot. And that's probably one of our more popular covers out there because people love that T-slot. This guest wanted that nice, smooth, flat look, and so he didn't really need it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Bak Revolver X4s on a Chevy Silverado with the multi-function tailgate. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.